Next one is D1, work-related car expenses. You have two obvious methods of calculating the car expenses relating to your work. First criteria is you have to establish that there is a connection between the expense you claim and your work. So first thing is you should own or lease a car to claim this expense. The car should be leased in the name of the taxpayer or owned in the name of the taxpayer. When once that is done, you have one of the two methods of claiming car expenses. One is cents per kilometer method, where ATO allows 68 cents per kilometer for traveled. That will include expense for maintenance, fuel, registration, insurance and everything. So you can only claim 68 cents multiplied by number of kilometers that you have traveled after going to the workplace, before coming back from workplace, during the working time, using your car to go around for the employer. So you can use Google Map for finding out the distance between two places, and that is approximate, that can be accepted. So you had to multiply the number of kilometers done every day for the full year multiplied by 68 cents, and that is your claim, and the letter code S denotes you are using cents per kilometer, and for this you don't need to maintain a logbook. The second method is where people can claim based on the logbook they maintain. So logbook